Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your hero skin on the Hearthstone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hearthstone game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. Now from here, just click on Shop at the bottom left corner, which will now take you into the shop page. From here, click on the second option where it says Hearthstone, and then click on Hero Skins. You will now be able to purchase various hero skins by using the in-game currency or runestones that you have acquired, as well as the gold. And you can also use your real-world currency in order to buy various hero skins. You may also unlock some for free, and when you do, you can tap on it to acquire this hero skin. After acquiring this skin, it will be displayed as owned. And once the skin is purchased, it will be equipped to your hero right away. And now you can start enjoying your game with this new player skin right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the skin of your hero on the Hearthstone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.